Suzuki GSX750F, and today's mission is to lubricate and essentially revive my cables. It's moving. It's not the cable that's moving. Oh, there you go. So there you go. The cable is now loosened. The cable is completely stuck. It's not very moving around. Managed to get it off the carburetor. But let's face it, it's not perfect. It's moving very hardly. So I'm going to come back to the same metals. So I'm going to spray the choke clean on both sides because the cable is out. After spraying choke cable and moving up and down, now the cable has virtually no resistance to move up and down. So it's kind of like restored. But then again, we want to lubricate it, so now we'll start spray WD-40 to get other stuff out, I guess, like rust and whatnot. Then again, just move the cable up and down. Let those liquids get right inside of it. Next thing will be to put some oil. So same again, just putting oil around the cable, keep it upside down and moving cable up and down. That way that oil will get inside. And keep on repeating the process. But by this time I could call this cable restored and ready to use. And now you can really see the difference. I can move the cable where before was completely stuck. That will save me a couple bucks. That's the shortest of the cable. The cable that I have is really nice. It works really good. It moves, but however, I'm still gonna take a tiny bit of a precaution and spray a little bit of a calm cleaner inside first. Just get some grime in. Works very well there. Get some WD-40 inside. And finally get some oil in. That way I know my cable is nice and lubricated and clean. For the clutch cable, it was like this, but again I want to get into the cable, so I'm going to loosen here and screw this one all the way inside. There you go. So the clutch cable is 12. I'm actually using original spanner that came with the bike to loosen this bolt, hopefully. It's tight. The bolt was very tight, but I managed to loosen it. Now I could just move it with the hand all the way to the top. Now I could get those turns in. So 1, 29, 30. Okay, that's 30 just as bike. As you can see, the cable's a little bit already loose. Coming back to this end. Let's see if I can pull out. Yes, I can. And now I could go to lubricating of the cable. Just gonna spray the choke cleaner down like before, move it up and down. That should drive all the grime out. I'm gonna spray some WD-40. I'll finally put some oil down the cable as well. That way my cable is nice and lubricated, we're less likely to rust and last longer. Plus function better. It would move nice and smoothly with less friction, and less melt would be wearing out. The thing left to do is just reassemble the cable back the way it was. Reassemble the cable, fit it through where it was, put it through the loop, back into the place, and adjust all the adjustments correctly. Now this cable lasts me much longer than what it would be before. That's it, the job is done, nicely going. On my Suzuki GSX750Fs. Next, clean the rest of the bike a little bit.